So I'm going to introduce you to our KuroLok product. This is a zip blackout blind. You don't have to use blackout fabric with it though. Screen fabrics and fly screen fabrics are also compatible and frequently used. So behind me we have a black version of the KuroLok, and this is a radio controlled version, so I'm operating it from this remote control. In this instance, we have the Type Z hem bar, which is our standard hem bar, and we have a blackout fabric. Now, the hem bar can be replaced with our new Linear 25 hem bar. This is a fabric wrapped, fabric covered bottom bar, so that all you see as the blind comes down, all you see is fabric continuously down, and that fabric also covers the bottom bar as well. So that is the KuroLok in black in operation. Now, black is a standard hardware color, and white is also a standard hardware color. So here I've got a white 100mm KuroLok headbox, and in front of me I have 3 different side channels. So the largest of those is the 56mm side channel. This is also what we call our Curo side channel. So this is 56mm wide, 24mm deep, and can be used in the Curo system, which is non-zip, so there's no zip retention. It can also be used with the KuroLok system, where we put zip retention system inside and the fabric runs in that. This channel provides the highest level of blackout because it has a brush in the front of it as well as the zip retention system on our KuroLok. The next channel size down is the 35mm channel. This is our standard side channel, and this is what will be supplied by default if no other channel is specified. So this is 35mm wide, 24mm deep, and is only available with the KuroLok system. This is not available with Curo, only with the zip retention. The next side channel size is our smallest one, also the smallest on the market. This is 24mm wide by 24mm deep. This again is only compatible with our KuroLok system, only compatible with zip retention. This particular side channel, the 24mm channel, is also only compatible with motorized blinds. It is not compatible with chain or crank operated manual options. The whole range is available in black or white as standard. It's also available in any RAL color of your choice, and believe me, there are a lot. So let your creativity run wild and pick a RAL color that matches your wall or your window frame or your curtains or your cushions, or something that means something special to you. So let me show you what the zip retention actually means. So in this system here, the fabric is running in the side channels, and if I was to leave the window open behind this, or if I was to come into the room very suddenly with quite a swoosh and I was to change the air pressure in the room, on a conventional blackout blind with standard side channels, such as the 56mm one that you find on the Curo, this fabric would almost certainly blow out of the side channel, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. But by contrast, the KuroLok, the fabric is zipped into the side channel, which means that I can hit it, and this could be wind, this could be a small child hitting it, this could be a cushion being thrown and hitting it. It's going to stay locked in those side channels and isn't going to cause you a maintenance nightmare. By contrast, also in this window, we have a conventional blackout blind system. This is a non-zip retention system. The fabric is running freely in the side channels. There's nothing holding it in those side channels other than friction. So if a gust of wind was to blow through my open window, or the air pressure in the room was to change, this fabric is directly subject to that. And you can see I don't have to press that very hard, and it comes straight out of those side channels. The problem that this will cause is that when the blind rolls back up again, That fabric is going to get damaged, it's going to get tangled up in the roller, and the ultimate result is that it's going to make my product look horrible. Nobody wants damaged fabric in their house, business premises, hotel, or anywhere. So I've just put that fabric back into those side channels, but very few people are going to do that or even notice that it's an issue until it gets too late and until that fabric is damaged. When you screw up or crumple the edges of blackout fabric, the blackout backing tends to start to weaken, and that done over a period of time leads to the blackout backing peeling off, flaking, pin pricking, which inevitably you then start to get light bleed coming through your fabric, which if you've bought a blackout product, you don't want. So I want to show you these systems close up. So we have the 3 different channel sizes here, the standard hardware color, white or black, and a range of special RAL finishes that we have on display. What you'll see is that the side channels all have end caps, and these end caps prevent the zip insert from coming out of the side channel. You'll also see that this 56mm channel has brush strip in the front of it. This brush acts as additional light exclusion on your blind. What you'll also see is that these channels have a drill line on one side of them. This is to aid face fixing. So if you're face fixing this channel, then you'll want to go through that drill line, and we provide little cover buttons to cover up the hole on the front. So you would drill an 8.5mm hole through the front, a 5mm hole through the back, and put your fixing right through. So the head of the screw disappears inside the channel, and then you cover that 8.5mm hole with a small cover button. On the other side of the channel, you find that it's completely smooth. So if you're side fixing, in other words, you're fixing through the channel, then you'll want to put this smooth, flat finish facing into the room for the nicest look. Our side channels integrate with the headbox via a leg. So this is a 50mm long steel leg that's very strong, and that slides into the side channel. So that is how the headbox sits on top of the side channels. So when you're fixing, you only need to fix the side channels on both sides. You don't have to fix the headbox. Of course, you can fix the headbox in position if you want to, and on wide blinds it's always a good idea to fix the headbox. Also motorized. With motors, you tend to get some vibration. So again, it's a good idea to put some fixings through the headbox to prevent any vibration noise. When you're side fixing, so you're drilling through the mouth of the channel and fixing through that, you'll find that at the back of the channel there is also a drill line. So that gives you your center point of the channel to fix through. You would fix through the channel, and then you would insert the rubber insert that acts as the zip retention. So the fabric runs inside this rubber insert, and this pushes into the front of the channel.